Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. Today we're going to show you a remote starter installed on a Porsche Cayenne Diesel 2014. This vehicle we have used the original key to start the car. We also used the smartphone device. Smartphone device is already activated, so we don't have the phone to show it here, but we'll show you on the original key. So with the original key, I'm going to press the lock button 3 times. The vehicle will receive the command. In a few seconds, the car will start. The wait time that we have seen, it's for the diesel. The system is waiting for the glow plugs and everything to turn off and allow the car to start. The key takeover on this car is very, very simple. You enter the vehicle with the original key, put the key to on position, and drive.